Welcome to CaseWare QuickVids. This QuickVid provides an overview of the time alternate codes. Alternate codes are user-defined codes. They are available for classifying miscellaneous client, group, and contact information. Reports can be produced for clients, groups, and contacts that match these alternate codes and/or dates. Each alternate code must be set up by the user. Examples of this miscellaneous specific information or alternate codes could be the type of industry they represent, tax information, or client's birthday. Alternate codes are grouped into categories. The categories are created from the company profile under the File menu. Open the company profile and go to the Client Group tab. In the Alternate Categories area, add a category, for example, Industry, add a brief description, Client Industry. Go to the next line and add another category, Employees, with the brief description, Number of employees. Next, we are going to add alternate codes for categories. This can be done either in the company profile or in the client dialog. For now, we are going to add our alternate codes here. To add codes, click on the Codes button for the category Industry. In the Alternate Codes dialog, enter code 1000. In the brief description, enter Accountancy. You can add an unlimited number of alternate codes for each category. Add a few more codes, for example, code 1010 for Property Management, code 1020 for Food Services, etc. We're also going to add a few codes for the category Employees. For example, code 1 with the brief description 1 to 5 staff, code 6 with the description 6 to 10 staff, etc., to represent the number of employees in the client's firm. The next step is to assign our customized alternate codes to the clients. This can be done for an individual client or by assigning multiple clients. To assign to an individual client, we will select Client ABC Limited, open the Client dialog, and go to Other Info. In the Alternate Codes and Dates area, we are going to select the category Industry. From the code list, we're going to select code 1010 that specifies the industry this client representing, which is property management. Remember, only one alternate code may be assigned for each category for the client. As you see, a date is assigned to the code. This date can be changed if needed. Next, we're going to add a category Employees. This time, we're going to select code 6, which tells us this client has between 6 to 10 employees. As you can see, you can also add alternate codes from the dialog. Press the Code button. From the list, select the category you'd like to add alternate codes to, for example, Industry. Then add a new alternate code, Hospitals, to the list. Close the dialog. You can also assign alternate codes to many clients and contacts simultaneously. To do this, from the Setup menu, go to Assign Alternate Codes to Clients, or Assign Alternate Codes to Contacts. In these dialogs, select a category from the list. Select an existing code, or add a new code to the category. At this point, all client groups in your company file will be listed in the left pane. To assign multiple clients in one action, click the client in the range, select Shift, and click the last client in the range. Then use the right button or drag them to the selected clients window. To select clients out of sequence, hold down the Control key and drag them. You can also use Select All button to assign all clients quickly. To clear your selection, use the Deselect All button. To change the order of the clients, click the number or name headings. Next, we're going to use this information to produce reports for clients that match these alternate codes and/or dates. To accomplish this, we are going to use the Alternate Codes Filtering System. This is a tool to build alternate code equations for time documents. You can build simple or complex equations using the categories listed in the document. For example, we want to send a letter to clients who belong to property management industry and have 6 to 10 employees. In this example, we will make a filter for the announcement letter report. Open the CaseView announcement letter document from the Document Manager. To access the alternate code filtering system, open the document properties of the document by right-clicking on the document and select Properties. Click on the Alternate Code button. The dialog guides you to build the equation. Each expression in the equation is built in the upper half of the screen and displayed in the filter pane once it is complete. To build an expression, you need to select a category, a comparison, and a value. From the category list, select Industry. From the comparisons list, select is equal to, and from the value list, you select code 1010. Notice that when you select this, the expression appears in the lower filter pane. To add the next expression to the equation to filter on clients who have between 6 to 10 staff, highlight a new line in the expression pane and click the AND button. From the table list, select Employees. From the comparison list, select is equal to, and from the value list, select 6. Notice that the updated filter now appears in the lower filter pane. For best practices, click on the Validate button. Validation is successful, indicates the filter is built correctly. Click on the OK button to close the editor. The filter appears in the document properties. It is saved in the document manager so that each time the document is run, the filter will be applied to the document. Click OK on the document properties, and you will see that the document is now filtered on clients who belong to property management industry and who have between 6 to 10 employees. This covers the alternate code topic and to filter your documents based on that information. Thank you for watching CaseWare Quick Vids.